Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create professional looking videos that you can use when you're trying to advertise a product on Facebook. Now people think this is a really complicated area of dropshipping, that you need to have some sort of really fancy editing skills, video skills to be able to do this, but I can tell you, you don't. All you need is an app called Animoto. So as you can see here, I've created this video using footage from the supplier. So this is product photos and product video from the listing on AliExpress that I've taken and I've dropped into Animoto and created this video. So if I just show you what this video is now so you can see it. So that's the video I've made using product photos and product videos from the supplier. So all that footage you saw then is from the listing on AliExpress. And what I've done is I've just broken it up and created these little storyboard cards that you can do within Animoto. So you upload your file here and you can drag it into these sections. So let's say I wanted to add another section into this. If I just duplicate one of these, I can just copy this over. And I can bring over another piece of footage. So say if I bring this over here, I can drop it onto this block. And this footage now is this 35-second video. But obviously I don't want the full 35 seconds. So I can trim this down into a part of the video that I want to show for this section. So let's just say I wanted to show, the boots being thrown on the floor here. So I could do a 3 to 4 second clip here. If I apply that, if we just watch that preview now, you can see that 3 to 4 second clip is now being put on here. And you can also edit all the text. So if I just click on edit, and we just look at this, you can move this around to wherever you want. So if you want it in the middle or the top right, you can move this around here. You can change the size of it, depending on what you want to see. All the colors, it's all customizable, all really intuitive and really easy to use, but it allows you to create high quality videos without the needing for the skills, the video editing skills, or even your own recording studio. This, using the footage from AliExpress, is the easiest way, it's the quickest way, but some suppliers don't have footage available. Some suppliers don't have videos on their listings. So to create something like this with footage, you have different options. You can either get the product in yourself and record your own videos. So get your friends using the product. You use the product to show the benefits of the product. And with that footage, you can drop it into Animoto and chop it up into these storyboards and create the message you want to get across on your video. What you can also do is you can also head over to Fiverr.com. And if you search for product video within Fiverr, there's a bunch of people here who are going to create product videos for you. And you can just send the product to them, pay them, and they'll create you a really professional video that you can then, again, just drop into Animoto and edit it up. Different prices, you can see here, this one's got one from $27.81. So this one, I will create a world-class video ad to sell you a Shopify product, perfect for what we're looking at. So we just have a look what this is. So a 40-second video with background music. So yeah, we'll see what video this is. Turn it down. Yeah, so this is what you could get from this guy if you sent the product over to him. You could get this. Yeah, so that's a really good way of doing it. And another option you have is if you head over to Pexels, so Pexels.com. Pexels has free stock photos and videos. So let's say if you were doing something about a golf product, for example, you search golf, there's going to be a bunch of golf images. Now you can throw these images within a 2 or 3 second storyboard here, just to fill it out a little bit, to show the niche you're trying to sell within, for example, and it just adds a little bit more to the video. So what else they've got on here as well? They have videos. So there's actually free footage within Pexels that you can just download and take and use within your video without any copyright issues. So let's just see if there's anything to do with golf on here. Yeah, so as you can see here, you can take this footage and drop it into your video. So you don't have to go out there and get on a golf course and try and record footage that you can use, like aerial shots or people teeing off. You can just take it from here and make it look really professional. You drop those videos into Animoto alongside your product images and your product videos, and you've got a really fleshed out, high quality, professional looking video there. And you don't need any experience, any video editing skills, any fancy recording studio. You can all just do it within here. So there are a few things that you need to consider when you are doing these videos. Is you need to keep each section relatively short. So I like to do 3 or 4 second cuts, but on here you can see I've done a couple of 6 seconds one, mainly because it was more around showing the product. So with this one, you can see the footage here is the girl showing off the boots. So I wanted that a little bit longer so you can see it. But when you're doing things like messages like it's finally here, you want to keep it short, and things like 80% off here, obviously keeping it short, keeping it punchy, and it keeps people's attention by getting a new video piece every single time. So what you need to do when you're doing this is when you create this ad, what you want to do, you want to create multiple versions of it. But in each version, you want to change the first 3 seconds of the footage. So this video clip here, I've got 3 seconds on. When I was creating this, I've created 3 different versions of it, and this first 3 second clip is different on each one of them. So this is your scroll stopper. This is the clip that's going to make people watch that video. And if you just run out one version of it, you might not be getting the click-through rates, you might not be getting the video views that you would on another video if you change that first 3 seconds. So have a play around with this, create at least 3 different versions of your video. The rest of the footage can be exactly the same. It's just that first 3 second clip that you want to change. Mix it up, try and get people's attention, show the pain points if you've got a product that is obviously solving a problem, and then show them how to fix that, how this product fixes that issue. With this product I was running here, this was just more of a fashion piece. I was showing the product straight away. Obviously, there's a really good photo with the girl pointing towards the boot, which draws the attention to it, and the striking footage of the red color of the boots made people stop and made people watch the rest of the video, which then obviously got their attention, came to the store, and they bought the product. So yeah, that's kind of how easy it is, how quick it can be to create a product. I think the best options if you're just starting out and you don't have a budget to go and pay people on Fiverr to do things, is just get your product shipped into you and record that yourself. Just use your mobile phone and just record somebody using the product or you using the product, and create different angles, different environments that they can use the product in, and then mash it all together on Animoto, and you can create this really professional looking video without the need for expensive video software. So I hope that was useful. So a lot of people have been asking me about this, how I create my video ads. So this is it. This is the software that I use, Animoto.com. If you're new to the channel and this did really help you, just make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be putting a lot more content like this out there in the coming weeks. It's not long until I go over to Berlin now to do my video shoot with Oberlo, so I'm really looking forward to that. And after that, there's going to be a lot more content coming as well. So just drop me a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you have any questions about Animoto or anything to do with dropshipping, just drop me a comment, because I answer everything that comes through. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I will catch you in the next one.